Hi, this is an old hand painting on canvas. The rear part of it got really damaged by termites, which I have replaced with new MDF board. Now let's see how I created this painting. Even though I'm not a digital artist, I have somehow managed to draw this in the Photoshop, and I've taken a printout of it. I'm going for A3 size, so I've taken an A3 size MDF board, planning to make frame for it too. Please check out the video how to make frames using this silicone mold. Link will also be in the description. The frame is completely dried, ready for the next process. Paint with a white acrylic base coat, and this will enhance any color that you're planning to apply on. Start with a watery consistency. This will help the paint to reach all the nooks and corners of the frame. After it dries up, apply a thicker coat on top. I have used a fine sanding paper to smooth out all the four sides. For Maa Durga's painting, I have gone for a golden color frame. For this, planning to go wooden shade. Use a darker shade to highlight. This will pop the design of the frame. I have fixed the printout and painted on top of the edges to give a uniform look. I am using clear synthetic varnish to finish the painting.